up everybody? Today I'll be teaching you guys how to make an amapiano just like this one that I made. So please subscribe and like and comment. Now first we'll add a shaker. Like you already know, most of my piano producers add a shaker first, and then we add a chord progression. Then I cloned this channel and then I added the same sound and I made it delay just like this. Just like this one. It's the same sound. Then I copied the same channel too, and then I mixed it and put different effects on it so it can sound a little bit different. And this is how it sounds. I didn't have a terminal signal, so I decided to use this one. On this one I added a reverb, and then right here we have drums. And on these drums I added multiple drums. And first we start with it's a head, and then I added a snare, and then I added a clap, and then I added a snare, and then I added some perks. Yeah man, it's a lot that I added. This one is a clap, and then a perk. Yeah. Now let me play it and show you how it sounds. It's nice, right? And then right here I added a kick. Now I'm gonna put it in solo and let me play. And I added this Kabza, the small sound, or mellow, I don't know. Let's play. Then I add another one. I think this one is for mellow and sleezy. Now guys, thanks for watching. Now I'm gonna play the rest of the song and I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe, please subscribe, please subscribe, please subscribe, and like and comment and tell me what you think. Dango.